Hello everybody, welcome to the channel, and my name is Bjorn Barrett. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the second year of me owning the Jeep for restoring. Specifically, we're going to go over the installation of the engine, the photos I have for that process. I do have a little bit of video, not the best recorded video, but it's there. Hopefully as I get better. I got a new little microphone that I'm kind of playing with that I got for Christmas. Thank you, my lovely wife. Very much appreciated it. Normally I would like to do these intros and the extros in the garage, kind of giving that feel. It's cold. It is really cold in Vermont right now, and it's also very dark, so I'm being lazy. With that said, please enjoy the installation. I'll do some narration over what you're looking at for the photos. And as always, please subscribe. It's the best way to keep in touch with as I post new videos and new projects and even updates to this project. So have a good day. Hey everybody, so here's the Jeep as it comes out of winter storage. We first needed to get the tub off of it, and we backed up the trailer through the tub onto the trailer. Obviously, Tori and Red helped. See, they're being very helpful in this picture. Then we put the frame in the garage, and the three of us, three different generations, installed the engine in this. Here's a quick little video. 1, 2, 3. Roll forward, roll forward, roll forward, roll forward, roll forward. Hang on. Okay, roll forward. Roll forward.
Watch toes.
Roll forward.
Watch your toes. Roll. I can't go any further.
Pivot. 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 Pivot.
Wait. Wait.
Oh, there goes.
Okay, go forward. No, oh shit, now your board's in the way. Okay. Okay, stop. Oh, no. Stop.
So funny.
Surfing while holding this was kind of interesting, though. Okay, that may not have been the best video, but I had so much fun spending the day with my daughter and my dad, 3 generations working on this Jeep. We then got the mufflers in. We actually ran dual mufflers in this Jeep. The problem here is we had to put a strap in, and they don't make a strap for the 21-inch gallon gas tank, so we had to cut and weld it here. Then we went into trying to build the routing for the fuel and the brake lines. I gotta admit, this has been redone about 3 or 4 different times through the life of this Jeep. And what you're seeing here is by no means the ending result. We had so many problems. Hopefully in another video, I'll kind of show you what we actually wound up with. But this was not where we landed. However, and there it is, kind of where we are at the end of that day. Hey everybody, hopefully you enjoyed the photos and a little bit of narration in there, and seeing my daughter and my dad and I working together, and me doing a little frame surfing. I know they're not the best photos, and they're not designed, they weren't taken with the intention of posting them onto YouTube. They were taken just to kind of record the process. When you're doing a restoration, you take a lot of photos. And so I'm just kind of going through and trying to share the process with you. Maybe if I ever get another chance to restore something else, I will do that more of like a video narration and kind of go through the whole story process. But this one, you're just getting the videos and narration over the photos. So hopefully you enjoy them. Please subscribe. I plan on going through all my photos and this whole process. We're on year 2 of a, gosh, I think it took me 5 years to get this from pulling in the driveway to back on the road. And I want to share that with you, and I'm going to be documenting it. So please subscribe to the channel. Hopefully you enjoyed it. And as always, enjoy life.